Welcome to 13051 West Big Oak, nestled within the embrace of Trilogy at Vistancia, where life is lived to the fullest. As you enter, feel the warmth and elegance of this 2,193 square foot sanctuary, a haven of comfort and style. It beckons you to explore further, to uncover the treasures that lie within. Retreat to the master bedroom, a sanctuary of tranquility, where the cares of the world melt away amidst the luxury of an ensuite bathroom adorned with dual vanities and a walk-in closet, inviting you to indulge in moments of relaxation and rejuvenation. Discover the guest bedroom, a private retreat for loved ones, offering a space of serenity and seclusion. The den is a great space for relaxation, work, or hobbies. With a built-in Murphy bed, it offers versatility and flexibility to suit your needs. Step outside onto the patio, where laughter dances on the breeze and the aroma of grilling delights the senses. Here, amidst the beauty of nature, create memories that will last a lifetime. And just beyond your doorstep lies the Kiva Clubhouse, a vibrant hub of activity and connection. Immerse yourself in the thrill of competition on the tennis and pickleball courts, or surrender to the serenity of the spa, where relaxation awaits at every turn. Dine with friends, lounge by the pool, or explore the lush greens of the golf course, where every swing is a testament to the joy of living. Trilogy invites you to experience the beauty, the luxury, and the endless possibilities of life within its embrace. Connect with us today and let your adventure begin.